Hi guys, I'm Dr. Omkar Warang here at the Hair and Shape Clinic, Mumbai. So hair transplant is a very evolving procedure. There are new techniques coming in every 6 months to 1 year, So today I'll be talking to Dr. Umang Kothari regarding the recent advances in the hair transplant procedure and how have they impacted our patients' result.
So yes, the trichology industry is a very big industry, and the changes in the trichology industry happens every 6 months to 12 months. That's again because the population which comes for the hair loss treatment is in that age group which is very much high on internet surfing, and they have a lot of R&D before they start any treatment. And every industry or everyone in the market, they want to keep up with the pace or a space by which this industry is growing. Now and then we hear some new treatment which sometimes the patient gives us the first input of those treatments. We have not seen those treatment or heard those treatment on our medical literature or on our conferences or our research papers, but still the patients sometimes demand of some new treatments which we are unaware of. Basically, what we have noticed in last 5 years of delivering some good results by the hair transplant, that yes, these techniques are important. Yes, they change the output of the surgery for sure, but not every time. Sometimes the marketing gimmicks or the way it's been presented on the social media or in the advertisement, it is not the case always. So the patient selection, I would say, is more important than the new technology selection or a treatment selection. So that's my take on the newer advances, that yes, they are important, they change the output, but basic knowledge of hair transplant is more important than the technology.